In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales of inventory products in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a sale so your revenue is recorded and your inventory updates automatically in the background. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking Create at the top left of your dashboard. This is your main hub for transactions. From here, choose whether you're making an invoice or a sales receipt. Use an invoice if your customer will pay you later. This creates an accounts receivable balance. Choose a sales receipt if the customer is paying you on the spot. Picking the right form is important because it affects how your cash flow and customer balances are tracked. Next, fill in the customer details in the form. Select the customer from your list or add a new one if needed. Make sure the customer's billing information is accurate and double-check the transaction date so the sale lands in the correct period. If your business uses terms, purchase order numbers, or memos, this is a good place to include them for clarity. Getting these basics right helps with clean reports and fewer corrections later. Now move to the product or service section and select the specific inventory product you sold. If you haven't added this product yet, or inventory tracking isn't set up, pause here and check out our other videos on adding products and inventory. Once the right product is selected, QuickBooks will pull in the standard description, rate, and preferred income account automatically based on your product settings. Enter the quantity sold. You'll see the amount calculate for you, but you can adjust the rate or description if needed for this particular sale. If you charge sales tax, make sure the tax setting for this line is correct. You can also review fields like class or location if your company uses them, so your reporting stays organized. Take a final moment to review the form. Confirm the customer, date, product, quantity, and amounts look right. When everything is complete, record the transaction by pressing Save and Close. This immediately posts the sale to your books. After you save, QuickBooks Online automatically deducts the quantity you sold from the quantity on hand for that product. That means your inventory stays in sync without extra work, as long as you chose the correct item and date. If you notice inventory isn't changing as expected, it usually means the product wasn't set up as an inventory item or the wrong product was selected. That's all. You've just recorded a sale of an inventory product in QuickBooks Online quickly and accurately.